So hi, good evening everyone, and we are back again with yet another program. So this time we are doing something different, something funky, something cool for you guys. How many of you, before we start, right? Okay, let me just quickly introduce. I am Prasad. I'm one of the team members here at Let's Upgrade, and my job here is to not teach you anything. I'm just here as a host to help you introduce to the platform for all the new folks that are joining us for the very first time, and all the old ones, right? Just do a show of hands very quickly in the YouTube chat if you are there. Okay, let me just share my screen so I can actually see you guys while you are chatting. So okay, this is my YouTube screen. Come on guys, how many of you guys are new here? How many guys are old students who are joining again for this whole session? Right, let's do a quick round of introduction. I'm Prasad, and yeah, I would love to know from you guys from where you're joining. So I am joining from Mumbai, so if you can also talk about that, from what place you are joining quickly, just a minute or so, not much. So this, why I'm doing this is basically I'm seeing a lot of students joining, so I don't want anyone to miss out on anything. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of new folks. Amazing, amazing. Guys, don't spam. One message should be fine. Okay, great. So we have crossed a number of 200 people, right? So okay, so moving on, right? Before we get started with the learnings, and as you know the topic, right? We are going to build something as crazy looking as JARVIS. So how many? I don't know how many of you guys know JARVIS. If you know, if you can help others understand, please write down in the chat what do you understand by JARVIS, and from which movie or which character does it relate to when you think about JARVIS, right? And we are going to use Gemini AI of Google to build something like you can say JARVIS, who you will command and he will answer and he will do task for you, right? So next 2 days is going to be crazy. Stick around with the laptops, whatever. Mohit basically is your trainer. I'll introduce you to him in a bit. I'm going to teach you. Do that, right? So before we go ahead to that, right? So the basic whole flow, right? Let me just take you to this doc. I hope everyone has access to this doc. If you do not, just quickly go down in the description. I'll also put a quick link for this right away, right? This is the link is available in the description. This is your go-to document, right? This is your go-to document for everything that you want to do, and basically to access everything related to the program. Soon after the program is over, we'll also put you the code for you to access and refer to once the program is over, right? So please bookmark this application, save it somewhere, email to yourself, and everything that you would want to do, right? So let's understand this document first, and it is important for you guys to follow this document to get your certificates, to mark your attendance, right? So this is the short link. If you want to remember it, it's Jarvis AI, luc.to/Jarvis AI. Then you have the link to your enrollment and attendance. You have to just click on this, and this should take you to the page of Let's Upgrade. So if you guys are new to this program, if you guys are new to Let's Upgrade, the very first step that you have to do is go and sign up as a student, because the certificates are going to link to your profile. If you are not signed up, sign up. If you have signed up, it will directly ask you to enroll, right? So now as I'm enrolling, it will congratulate me. You would get a WhatsApp message and everything for confirmation. And this is again the one link that we call where you have your whole schedule set up for you, right? And you have the Telegram group for doubts. You have the option to join your WhatsApp communities. If you want to share this program with your friends and earn coins, you can do that from here, right? And this is the schedule. You can directly visit the links from here on YouTube. It will basically bring you to the same class, right? Now as you see, right, there's one option right here called as mark attendance, right? So as the session goes live, right, you can basically come here and mark attendance, whatever the rating that you would want to give. 10 is something that we are happy with, and if you give anything less than 10, be critically like very critical and very honest, and give us the feedback where we can improve on, right? So we want to listen to you guys. If you give us something below than 10, then what went wrong with you and how we can improvise that. And you can just select what program would you be interested in if we launched it, right? And then you could of course see the related programs that you would want to explore with Let's Upgrade. That's it on the document. Now moving back to the main Notion document, we have the links today and tomorrow, 6:30 to 9:30, 3 hour session each. Almost like we'll see if we complete before that, it's great. If not, then yeah. And then we have the steps from end-to-end steps with screenshots and everything for you guys. So whatever I explained right now is also documented, so you do not need to miss out on anything, you can come back to this place. For newcomers, for people who are already with us, if you miss out on any step, please come back to this doc. From enrollment to marking your attendance to submitting assignments, if any, to getting your friends on the community to getting a certificate, everything is written in this doc, right? I hope this process is clear. Everyone in the chat, if I can get a quick confirmation, that would be great. Mohit is here. It is he's just sitting backstage. I'll just bring him on stage in a minute. Just let me know if whatever I spoke about is very clear to you, because that is important. Great, great, amazing, amazing. So it's now time to call upon Mohit. Yeah, before that, right? If you can see one link in the chat that is pinned out, a student ambassador program. So Let's Upgrade has restarted its student ambassador program. We have successfully run 2-3 batches. And if you want to basically see, I'll tell you what we let me summarize our student ambassador program for you, right? So if you are someone who is interested in building your own, you can say, leadership brand, or if you want to come up as an ambassador and make this reach a lot of students, and with that you get incentive, you get swags, you get the ability to host workshop, host events at your college, at your space, in your area, where Let's Upgrade will support you in any way that is possible, right? You want to host sessions online where you need Let's Upgrade support, just become an ambassador. You get a tag. Tags look, I wish I would, yeah, tags look something like okay, I cannot show you right now, it's in my profile section to reveal everything, but yeah. So this is the page again. The link is again pinned in the chat. You can see, you can, if you want to apply, the next season enrollments are now open. The next season starts on 1st of March. If you are interested, you can apply for that, and if you're shortlisted, you will get the tag, you will get rewards, you will get the ability to host events, workshops in tech, in and around your area, in your colleges, right? So with that, I guess, yeah, that summarizes my part here. And then I'd like to call Mohit. And yeah, I'll remove this. Hi, Mohit. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine.
Yeah. Okay. What is in SAP? Okay, guys, it's a student ambassador program. Basically, you will help us reach more students. You will help us do this work kind of workshops in your college, in your area, right? You will help us refer your friends so that more people gets benefit out of this program. Right. More to this towards the end of the session. Let's now start off, or else you'll get bored, right? I know it's a Saturday. I don't want to keep you long, right? Okay. So Mohit here is to just introduce before he gives his own introduction. He's one of our favorite trainers, right? He's been with us from the very start, from when Let's Upgrade was this tiny, literally, and we were just experimenting out. Mohit joined us, and he has been helping us. You can say a very supporting pillar for us at Let's Upgrade in all way possible, in programming and mentoring, and wherever we went wrong, to even give feedbacks, right? So we've got him back now to teach you Python, and you can say advanced Python. Now you must be bored just sitting Python basics, zero to hero, all that stuff. So this time is going to help you in the like with Gen AI and how that works, Gemini API basically, right? So yeah, over to you, Mohit. And you guys, right? Please focus. Next 2 days, ask as many questions. Do not spam. He'll take care of all your queries, right? And focus on what is doing, what is making understand. Because if you guys are able to crack this, you can basically build your own AIs the way you want, right? Yeah, over to you, Mohit.
Hello, everyone. So I'm sharing my screen first, okay? Share screen, screen number 1. So I hope uh, it's being shared. Yes,
Yeah.
right? Right. So first of all, hello, everyone. So in this session, we will see how to create a AI system with the help of Google Gemini Pro. Okay, it's free right now, so you can use it for your daily tasks, so your content generation. Okay, so if I see these directions, it means I'm seeing your comment. Okay, rest of 3 screen for my work and one screen, fourth screen for your comments. Okay, now I can see more than Mohit. Okay. Okay, so let's start this session. Okay, so I will, so whatever the doubt you will get, so please share in the chat box. Okay. Okay, so let's see one by one. Okay, so what's the agenda of the today? So what's the agenda? So we are going to make a Jarvis kind of system. Okay, so I have mic. So let me show you what is the end product. That's outcome. So this is the outcome we will see end of the day. Okay, what is that? So once I refresh it, so it's saying me hello boss. Okay, so you can see in my mobile, if you can see my mobile, can open this site. I have created it. Okay, I can give the input by using my mic or by typing it. Okay, right? Getting sense? So first of all, let's see. So if you want to ask question like, let's say, what is that? So I have just added 2 3 tasks here, or you can ask the information from this uh, software. Okay, so we will see how it works. First of all, let me write something. What is the temperature of Delhi? So you can see it's in the, I haven't typed it, just I speak, and you can see here, and let me send here. Okay, so these are background processing, it's processing. Okay, so it's processing in the background, and let me put in the side screen, and it's doing calculation inside. What is the temperature? Okay, so Jarvis is saying temperature of Delhi is country of India, and humidity is this one, and temperature is 19.44. Okay, so now I'm going to ask the next question. What is the temperature of my room, this room? Okay, so let's see. What is the temperature of my room? So you can see it's automatically, it's recognized what I'm saying it. It's a different AI. Okay, and now it's giving the input, and let me send it. Okay, so it is sensing the my room temperature, and once it get the temperature and humidity, it will represent what is the right now, what is the current temperature of my room. So temperature is 17.5 and humidity is 17.2, 70.1. Okay, so this, I hope this is degree Celsius. So I hope you get in a sense. So in this way it works. For daily temperature, it is taking the temperature from the external Yahoo API. Okay, so it is calling the API. I will tell you everything. Just I'm giving the what would be the outcome of the second day, so that you will feel what we are going to make at the end. What we are going to. Okay, so for the temperature of my room, I have installed this kind of sensors in my room. Okay, so this kind of sensors in my room, so it is taking output from these type of sensors, the IoT devices, and representing the output. Getting sense or not? Please tell me in the chat box. I want to know. Yes, yes, yes. So Sumita say, can it be automatically without sending? Yes, it can be. It can be done, but it's sometimes it become difficult when to stop. So that's why I put the sending button. Okay, when to stop. And see, I am not the complete web developer. I know little bit web and Django, so that's I have created in that. So I'm not a fully web, so I'm an AI developer right now. Okay, so so consider if you want to ask some question like where is Taj Mahal kind of thing. So where is Taj Mahal? So you can see, just I'm not saying do something, I'm saying find the information. Okay, so once I send it, so consider you want to be a Tony Stark, so you can take this kind of speak. You have this kind of, you put in it has a mic, and you can give the output from your any corner. Okay, so yeah, you can see Taj Mahal is located at the city of Agra, Mumtaz, and whatever. Okay, so in this, so I'm getting the information. Okay, so if I say who are you, so it's saying at your service, I'm Jarvis, a assistant. I'm here to help you with any task or question you may have. Getting sense or not? Yes, yes. Getting sense? Karamveer saying, can we make it talk also? Yes, definitely we can make it talk. We can give the voice and it will talk. But if I make it talk, you can't listen it right now. So that's why I just put the text so that you can see it. Okay, Yes, it can speak. Definitely, it can speak. But right now, because this for this demo, I just put how I just represent it, display it. Okay, because you cannot listen what it's saying. So that's why I didn't use the output as a speech. Okay, getting sense? Can we make it generate image? No, Google, right now we are not using to generate image, but you can see this out images I have created by using the AI. Okay, so we are using only for the content generation AI. Okay, content generation. Okay, LBS AI saying make it talk, bro. So if I make it talk, you can't listen it because it will say it my to my voice to my ear because this is a headphone. You can't listen it what it's saying it. Okay, so that's why it's displaying it's better it is displaying it, right? So let's see what are the steps involved to create. So this is agenda of the complete session. Okay, first we will see what is NLP, then what is LLM, then what is the meaning of LLM, then what is the Google Gemini. Okay, it's Gemini. Sometimes we say Gemini, it's Gemini. Create API for Google Gemini AI. Okay, what is prompt then, and Python with Google Gemini. Then content generation with Google Gemini. This means this one. Where is Taj Mahal? When I ask the question, where is Taj Mahal? That is the content generation. It generated the content. So that's a content generation. Okay. Then Gemini functions. Gemini function means when I say find the temperature of my room, that is if because it's calculating, it's interacting with the devices, right? Interacting with devices, it's calculating. So that is the functions. So this is the Taj Mahal question was the generation. So it's function, okay? Functions, temperature calculation of Delhi of my room, that is the function. So content generation, that's the, if I ask the question. Okay, voice integration, that's optional if you want to use it. If you that's okay. Website, then I create the website using Flask, then integration the integration of sorry this is the Google Gemini with the Flask. Okay, so this step we will see in this 2 days session. Okay, getting sense or not? Yes, yes, anyone? Yes, anyone? My yes, yes, please. Okay, let's start with the so I know you know Python. I know you know Python, but I'm just creating first program so that you know how to run with the command prompt. Okay, so consider, so I'm going to use this Sublime version. Yes, so I'm going to use Sublime version. Okay, so how to write a program, first program. So consider if I write print hello world. So this first program. So I'm going to show you how to run the Python program. Okay, so you can use Linux, you can use Windows, that's okay. You can use anything. So I have both. I can use Linux, I can use Windows system. So I have both. Okay, so but I'm going to use Windows system because majority of the student they know only the Windows, they don't know Linux. But it's my advice, please use Linux for the programming purpose. Okay, uh, Visual Studio Linux, yes, you can use Linux, that's okay, because you can create this program on the Linux also. Okay, I'm using Windows system. Okay, because majority of the student don't know how to use the Linux. Okay, जैक रिचर्ड सेइंग भाई इसकी इंग्लिश मुझे खराब लग रही है या किसी और की. See guys, english English is not my native language. Okay, first of all let me clarify this thing. I'm speaking, I know English, I'm speaking, but maybe you are not getting the point, that's why you are not getting. what I'm saying. Okay. So that's why please focus what I'm saying, what I'm going to deliver you. That's important. Okay. I know I know very well programming language Python. Okay, I wrote 5 international books in Python. So that's matter for you. Getting sense? So hello world. So you can use any editor of your choice. You can use any editor of your choice. If you like Notepad, that's okay. You can use Notepad. If you like Sublime version, you can use Sublime version. If you like Visual Studio Code, you can use it. For Jupyter Notebook, why I'm not using it? Because we need to do something like Flask. That's a web kind of framework, right? So I'm not going to use Jupyter Notebook for this complete software. Okay, Jupyter Notebook is good for learning purpose, good for starting. But when you create softwares, you need some good kind of editors. You can use Sublime version. You can use any editor of your choice. You can use VM editor of Linux. That also good. Okay. Yes, you can use Python ideally. That's okay. You can use it. Let me. Yes. You can use it. Visual Studio. You can use any editor of your choice because here we are going to create multiple files. When we create the project, we are not going to, when we create the project, we are not going to create a complete project in one file. So when we create a project, we use multiple files, then make one complete software. Okay. So but in Jupyter Notebook, we create one file, then it's very difficult to import that file in the new code. Okay. Getting sense? Because we are going to use Flask, we are going to use agent, we are going to use a Gemini interaction. So we are going to use different files, and then we will import it and make a one complete software, one complete application. Okay, we are not going to use one complete whole script. Okay, so getting sense? So if you don't know how to run a Python program by using the terminal or by using the command prompt, let's see it. So first of all, take your editor of your choice, save it. Okay, save it. So I have created a folder here over here. So Jarvis, let's. So here I'm saving it. You can you can use any name here, name one. Okay. So what do you prefer to use? What do you prefer to use? So I can use miss I use some live version. That's simple. Simple. Okay, simple and lightweight. Lightweight editor, simple editor is good. Okay, so here you can see I'm in the folder where I have saved the program. Okay, so write the Python and file name hello world. Okay, Python name and hello world. PyCharm you can use. PyCharm you can use. So Raghav is saying English doesn't matter, sir. Only yes, that's great. That's I want to convey. That's the information I want to convey. Okay. So for sake of information, I'm a Python instructor. And I have been working in Python since 2013. So from 2013, I have been doing work in the Python. So I wrote 5 internship books. So I am a BTech, MTech, and PhD. So I have done PhD also. Okay. So where the knowledge matter, you will not feel this kind of barrier. English is not good, and this. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense how to run a Python program. Everybody is okay? Because sometime people search for run button. Where is the run button? Like this. If I press run button, it should give some output, right? So here, if you are not getting any run button, you can see here there is no button. Okay, here button is not present. So if you are not getting that button, run button, so you can run it like this. Getting sense or not? any any editor of your choice you can use here. You can use VS Code, you can use Sublime, you can use, there's no problem. Main thing is what we are going to write. So we need something to write. So if you are okay with any editor, that's okay. Can you explain the set the path for the Python on the Windows? It's very easy. It's very easy. This is very simple question. So let me give you the detail how to configure it. Just go to your PC. Okay, your PC, for more options, properties, uh, uh, property, this property, advanced setting. Where is the advanced? Windows 11 changed a lot of things, lot of new things. Windows 11 changed a lot of things. So this is the advanced system settings. Go to the advanced. So here in this one, you can see environment variable. Okay. So in the environment variable, you can go to the system variable and path. So now you can see over here, you can add your path. So just add new and you can paste the complete absolute path of your Python compiler, Python interpreter. Okay, getting sense? Yes. Okay. So and then you need to restart your computer and you will see the effect of Python. So just go in the command prompt, just type Python. So you will see Python over here. So I'm using Python 3.9. So it's old version. So you can use Python 10, 11. That's okay, no issue. Okay. Because why I'm using old version? Because mostly I prefer to use Linux because I create my all the software on the Linux. I write my program on the Windows but execute on the Linux. Okay, so I have combination of both Windows and Linux. For writing purpose, I use Windows system, but I run my program on the Linux. Means run writing on the window, executing on the Linux system. Okay, so but for this application, this Jarvis application, I'm going to use completely Windows. I'm not going to use Linux. Okay, so done. Next step. What is LLM? So what is NLP? I hope everybody knows what is the NLP. NLP means natural language processing. What is the meaning of natural language processing? So it is a branch of computer science, or you can say machine learning, artificial intelligence, which deals with the kind of natural language, which deals means you can understand when computer understand the natural language. What is a natural language? Like English, Hindi, and these are the natural language. Okay, so when the computer understands the natural language, okay, and it involves a lot of things. It involves vectorization, it involves you can say uh, different type of tokens, okay, tokens, vectorizations, transformers. Okay, so this is NLP. So next question is, what is the LLM? So LLM is large language model. Large language model deals with it contains lot of text, a lot of text from the internet. Okay, it contains lot of text, and now and after containing lot of text, and and apply deep learning on it, and it behaves like a human. Okay, means it generate the content like a human. Okay, so you can see NLP. So it, why we use LLM? We use LLM for text generation, learning, machine translation, sentiment analysis. Okay, so I want to ask you one question. Have you used ChatGPT? ChatGPT? Yes. Please type in the chat box. Have you ever used ChatGPT? Online or API, whatever. Lot. Okay. So now you know what is the meaning of LLM. Okay, chat gpt, so this chat gpt is a open, is a llm. Okay, if you run a small llm, there are a lot of llm available online, there are free. Okay, so even meta, means meta, Facebook also offer giving a llm for free. So you, if you go to the Hugging Face, you will see a lot of llm. And you know, our computers, these computers, 16 GB RAM and Core i7 or Core i3, these are not enough capable to run these type of llm. In order to run a small llm, you need a very huge graphic processor, new huge endpoint system. Okay, so that's why we use API, because they means the Gemini, chat gpt, they they have the very huge kind of processing power, and they provide the service with the help of API. So from here you can see there are a lot of LLM for text. You can if you go yeah, for the natural language processing, token classification, for zero shot, and for transfer summarization. So there are a lot of LLM available. You can use any one, but for to run a small LLM, you need a very high end configuration. Okay, that's why we use OpenAI services. That's why we use Gemini services, because they are giving us for free. Okay, and if you want to use API, then they charge you. Okay, all right. So now Google Gemini is for free. API is for free. You can use it. So first step. So this is the way LLMs are created. So first gather the data, then data collection. Then once they get all the data, all the huge data set. Okay, because why huge data set? So they can find the relevancy between the words, relevancy between the words. Okay, so that's why huge data will be needed. So once they have the data, input the data in the machine model training. Okay, so that's a deep learning, different of model, transform model, then evaluate the model and deploy the model. Okay, so these are the steps. These are just a, you can say, layman step. There are a lot of number of steps involved in order to create a LLM. Okay. Second question is LLM prompt. So what is the LLM prompt? Harsh Verma, I think, please reply, sir. What is the question? For running big LLM, we should use Collab. Harsh, I'm giving you answer. I use Falcon 7B on the Google Collab. Okay, on the free processor. You know, I got the result after 30 seconds. Google Collab, Google Collab is offering very good kind of graphic processor for free, but still I was getting the reply in 30 seconds. Okay, so means you can understand for small kind of LLM taking the huge configuration, huge processing power. Okay, if you use your system, simple system, it may give you reply in 1 hour. Okay, so yes, so my question is, what is LLM prompt? Yes, anyone? What is LLM prompt? Yes, anyone? What is LLM prompt? Yes, anyone? What is LLM prompt? So LLM prompt is kind of instruction. Consider you want to achieve something with the help of from the LLM. Consider you want to create a text. So you want, so the instruction we give to the OpenAI or Gemini, so that's the prompt. Okay, no, it's not a process of formulating the an LLM. Prompt written in LLM. So prompt means instruction, what to do. Like if I give the task, like you are Rohan, and Rohan has some money, and Rohan spent some money on it, and what would be at the end, means what at the end Rohan is getting. So that's kind of instruction. Like I want to create a application, means a letter for you can say letter for appointment. Okay, so I've given instruction. My name is Mohit. I want to apply for this position at this institute. Please write a application for me. So it writes the application. So this instruction what I'm giving, so that is a prompt. Okay, so that's a prompt. What instruction I'm giving to the OpenAI for creating something, that is the prompt. Okay, if you write simple, write a poem for me which doesn't contain this word, that's a prompt. Consider you want to create something, you want to generate some text, you want to generate some poem, and you give your instruction. That instruction is prompt. Okay, and creating a prompt is a very I'm not saying difficult task, but very, you can say, uh, it's like a Google searching. So how to find a very good result from the Google? Okay, so that needs some intelligence. So creating a good prompt is an intelligent thing. Okay, you need experience to create the prompt. Sometime you get your result, sometime you didn't get your result. So you need to learn how to give a good prompt to a AI. Okay, consider you want to create JavaScript. You want a JavaScript code from the OpenAI or Gemini. Okay, so you give instruction, please create a JavaScript which contain the date picker kind of thing, and a start button, end button, this thing. So if you give instruction very clearly, so that and the LLM can understand, and then it give the good result. So LLM creating a prompt is a kind of intelligence thing. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense. So this is the instruction. This is the diagram we are going to use to create our complete application. First, before creating the application, we must know what we are going to make, what are the steps it involves. Okay, so first of all, we need to create the user interaction. User is interactive with the Flask. Okay, Flask is a web framework. How many of you know what is the meaning of Flask? Yes. What is the meaning of Flask? Have you ever worked in on the Flask? Ayush is saying precision needed. Yes, precision needed. No idea? So Flask is a web framework. By using it's a mini framework. Mini framework written in Python to create a small kind of applications. Okay, small kind of applications. So if you want to create a website, you can use Flask. If it is a big, you can opt for Django. But if you want to create small application, you can use Flask. Okay. So Flask is a mini web framework. Mini web framework. Okay. So you can see over here, this one. So this complete website I have created by using the Flask. Okay, Flask. So this entire website, the small website I have created using the Flask. So don't worry, no need to. I will provide you the code so that you can integrate it with the existing code. Next is agent. Flask connected to the agent. Okay, and the agent connected to the Google Gemini. Okay, agent is a entry point for the user. If you are not using Flask, consider you are not using Flask, so user can directly connect with the agent. Okay, consider if I'm not using web framework, user can directly connect with the agent. So what is agent? It's just a Python file. Okay, don't think it's a kind of something we need to download. No, it's a Python file that I've created. So I use some good kind of terminology. Okay, I'm not saying it's abc.py. No, it's agent.py because it's kind of agent. We take our input and send to the Gemini. Gemini is our AI which process think what is the input of a user, and if that is related to some kind of task. What is task here? Task means calculating the temperature of my room. That's a task. Calculating the temperature of city like Delhi. So that is task. Okay, when we create any application, so we need to understand what things are involved. Getting sense or not? Please tell me, are you getting it or not? So you should know what we are going to make, so that's from the diagram you can easily identify how the things works. Okay, you can take the snapshot of this diagram. You can take the snapshot of diagram. So this is a user here, so I hope so. From yeah, this is a user actually. Same thing user over here, for because due to my photo you cannot see it. Okay, so it's a user. Okay, same thing. So first is user, means I am connecting with a Flask, or I can directly connect to the agent with the help of command line, or by using Flask I can connect it. So once it's take the instruction to Google Gemini take what it's is task or just the information. If I ask where is Taj Mahal, who is MS Dhoni, okay, so this is the Google. So Google Gemini think, okay, this is not a task, so give the result back to the agent, and agent gives to the Flask, and Flask to the user. If it is related to task, then it perform the task, like write a file to calculate the temperature, find the result from the Google. So these are the tasks. Okay, read CSV. So these are the tasks. Yes. Please tell me, getting sense or not from this diagram? You can take the snapshot. Please take the snapshot of this diagram. Yes, I will teach you how to get the API key. That's a second task. So that's a second. After this one, I will teach you how to get the API key. Okay, getting sense? Everyone, take the snapshot, please. So let's see another diagram. So I have created this diagram. I have created by the use of uh, chat GPT actually. Okay, so I haven't created this diagram manually. So I give the instruction and OpenAI created for me. Okay, so I have given the so that time I gave the instruction very beautifully with the good prompt, and it created the diagram. Lofi song say, can we use OpenAI in the place of Gemini? Definitely you can use OpenAI in the place of Gemini, but OpenAI is not free. API is not free, so you have to purchase it. Once you purchase, you can use it. Okay, you can use it. So you can replace this content. So you can replace this Gemini. You can replace, once you, if you get the OpenAI key, you can replace it, and you can configure it. Two things we need to configure, these two, because agent is written according to Google Gemini. Okay, so if you want to use chat GPT, if you want to use OpenAI, so you need to replace two things. Gemini is free right now. Gemini is free. Can you share this PDF? Definitely I will share. I will share this PDF. And in order to this, I created this PDF just in 15 minutes. Okay, I gave the instruction to the OpenAI, and it created the uh, PNG pictures, and I put it in the PPT and created the PDF. So second thing, so I will come to this diagram later. Okay, let's see first thing. First is how to create the Google API key. So I'm going to put the link to you. So I think I'm sharing the LetsUpgrade team. So LetsUpgrade team, this is the link. Please share in the chat. Okay, so that student gets this link. Okay, so this is the link. So you can copy, if you're not getting it, you can write AI Google Dev tutorial Python quick start. So from this link, you can create the API. Yes, let's upgrade team. Please share the link. So Atulya is saying what were the prompt you use? Prompt is simple instruction. So I created the prompt. Uh, Actually, I purchased the service of OpenAI for in $23. So I give the prompt. I give my code and I give the instruction. So I'm using agent. Agent is doing this kind of task, and I gave instruction like uh, the Gemini is doing this kind of task. So it created a beautiful picture for me. Yes, I have GPT-4. I have DALL-E, so you can use it. So you can see. So this picture I have created with the help of OpenAI. You can see it. So this is the instruction I've given it, and I created my own picture. So I have not copied from anywhere. So it's created by the OpenAI. So there's no copyright of anyone. So it's created by the OpenAI. So you can use it if you want to use it. But this session is for Google Gemini, not for OpenAI. Okay. Okay. So here I have created the diagram. Old instructions. Don't know where is that. So you can create the diagram for you. Okay. Okay, so you can use this link. So if you are not getting it, so just uh, so where is the, let me share it so that you can copy paste. So take this link, AI Google.dev tutorials Python quick start. Sumit Das is saying open AI, I felt more comfort. Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. But if you are getting something for free, let's use it. I can do this all the day, stop spamming. So this is a link, okay? You can type. You can type it. Python is for front end back end. Yes, Python for front end and back end. For front end, we use HTML kind of thing, but Flask template handle the front end and back end also. So Flask is for both front end and back end. Okay. So once you open this link, AI Google Dev tutorials Python quick start. Okay. So go to here. You will see the code. And if you going to use this one, this will, so you have to use Python 3.10, or you can say 3.10, 3.11, but I'm using 3.9. So if you are using 3.8, then definitely this Google generative AI will give you the error. So I'm not going to use it. Okay. So first of all, first task to get the open. So first task, get the API, get an API key. Okay. Hardik is saying, do I have to have a bachelor's degree? I think it's a degree, any such degree to understand all this. Hardik, degree doesn't matter, but knowledge matter. But if you learn everything, if you learn related things from the internet or from the YouTube, definitely no need to get the degree, no need to obtain a degree. Knowledge is matter. Okay, I have 3 degrees and I have knowledge also. Okay, okay, get an OpenAI. Click on this one. If you are using 3.10, 3.12, that's okay. Then you can use it. Okay. So from here, you can create your key, create API key. I'm not going to create it. So create API key from here. Okay. Once you doing this one, search a project. So you need to create first project. So I have project here, uh, e- like my project, and then create a key. Okay, so what is the meaning of project? So consider if you go to the developer console. So you can create the project. So eh, by default, this project is there. So I have created multiple projects like YouTube API, this one, this, because this is my paid account. So you can create any project of your choice. Okay, let me create over the new project, create a VM API services, VOL product from here. Yeah, new project. Okay, so from here you can create a new project. Okay, so consider if I create a project like let's Gemini Pro. Okay, no organization. Okay, so I hope everybody is getting sense how to create a project. So from here you can go to cloud dot console.cloud.google.com. Console.cloud. First go here, create a project, console.cloud.google.com. Go here, please note it down. Once I please use this link to create a project. So once I go here, okay, do search over here and create a new project. So I have already created it, new project. Let's Gemini Pro create. So I have created one project. Okay, in this way you can create a project. Done. So consider if you are using it first time, if you haven't created any project yet, so you can create by using this one, console.cloud.google.com. Okay, so now now it's time to create the API key. So let me refresh it. Create API key. So now I'm searching my project. Let's Gemini Pro. So this is the project I have created just uh, 30 seconds ago. Okay. No. It's a free Punshri. It's free. It's totally free. You can create any project. You don't need to pay it. You can create. You want if you want to, if you can create any project. If you want to create, you can create. There is no issue. No need to pay. Okay, can we use Google Cloud for free? Yes, you can use it. You can create a project. There's no fee for Google project. Now I can select Google Gemini, create API key for existing project. Yes, key. So it's generating the key. So this is a key. I have generated it. Okay, and I can copy it. Copied. Now I'm going to save it. So this is the key I have created. I'm saving it in the file. Let me save this file. I'm putting the name config.py because I want to use all the configuration from the separate file. Okay. Yes, anyone? No, there is no need to pay to create the project. Project is free. You can create it. There is no issue. I haven't paid anything for creating the project. Got it? Anyone? Any doubt? Very simple. Just put your key here and we will use it multiple time. Okay. So now in the name file, so this is the first file. So I'm going to create a new file. Uh, let's import the key from config import key, print key. From config, because I have created a module. This is a module. Python file is module, kind of module. So I have added my key here in the module as a variable. So now I'm importing that variable from that file and printing it. Save it. let's put a good name here, like let's see Gemini content 1.py. Okay. Yes, any doubt? एजुकेशन क्लासिंग सर इस प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए ये दिल क्यों आ रहा है एक्चुअली लेट मी करने के लिए क्या आना चाहिए यस दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन इस प्रोजेक्ट को करने के लिए टू डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट यू नीड टू नो अबाउट यू मस्ट हैव good knowledge of Python programming. You must have the good knowledge of, you must have the knowledge of Python programming. Okay. And Python is not difficult to start. Okay. Getting sense? And some relevant knowledge also, like what is API, what is LLM, what is NLP, what is IP address. Okay. Only Python is okay, but relevant knowledge also. What is the API? What is the website? What is a web API kind of thing? Getting sense? Actually, I don't have, Pratik is saying I don't have any Python compiler, any option, please. Very easy, just download it and use it. Download from internet and use it. Because right now, I think you are using Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook. That's good if you're doing for learning purpose, but application, once we create an application, we write the program on the editors and then we push all the code on the servers. Okay. So once you have all the code and you push on the server, we are not going to push the Google API or Google Colab file or Jupyter file on the server. We put this code on the server and schedule it. So that's way we deploy the softwares. Colab is good for learning purpose. It's not for developing the software. We are developing the application. Okay, so that's why we need the code files. Getting sense? Let's run it. Python Gemini content. So I'm getting my key over here. So in this way, you can use your key in different files. Save one place and use multiple times. Yes, getting sense or not? Please reply. Getting sense? Sir, this video is available later. Yes, definitely this video will be there. Don't worry. Okay, getting sense? Sir, we first run the command in the CMD, then create a project, and then create the API key. Nahi, sir, you are going in the right direction. We will create a complete package and then deploy somewhere. Okay. But right now I'm not deploying because this my computer is my server. Okay. Can I write the code in the notepad? Yes, you can write the code in the notepad, but notepad will not give you the fancy look. Okay, the notepad is not going to give you the not not giving you the fancy output. Like fancy means this one. Like you can see color. Okay, you can use notepad, but it will not give you the fancy output, fancy color thing. Okay, because from is a keyword, so I can easily understand. Okay, from is a keyword, so print is a function, right? So I hope everybody is getting the sense. So I have key. I have key. Now it's time to create the function. And first thing is import requests. What is the meaning of requests? Request is a web library. It's a web library to fetch the content from a website, to to give the request to the website with some content, or to call the API. We use a request module. Okay. Yes. Getting sense? Sir, can I use it in my mobile? Yes, you can use it in your mobile. Okay. Once you created the website, you can open the website in your mobile. Okay. So request module completed. Now next is, so I'm creating a function. Let me create a function like chat1 for chatting purpose. Okay. So in this one, I will take the chat. I hope you know how to create the function in the Python. How to create the function. So this is the definition. This is the function name. This is the argument we are going to give. Okay. So then I'm creating a I'm going to create a list messages. So this is a list which contain all the message. Getting sense? Vinny is saying that let me give the answers of the student query. We will, sir, will we build a speech recognition model with the Gemini Vision? Definitely. Vision model. Vision we need to. You can create a speech recognition is very easy. I will give you the code how to use a speech recognition. Okay. So you can create the speech recognition model with the Gemini Vision and Gemini Pro. And Raja is saying, give me answer. What is your question? What is your question, Raja? Okay, let's see. Let's proceed. So first prompt, like system message, I'm going to give system message like are, uh, you are an AI bot. Your name is Jarvis. Jarvis. Okay. So this is a prompt. First prompt, सबसे system prompt. Raja Gupta is saying, sir, I learned Python, then Google app. So it's, sir, I learned Python, then Google app project is made. Google app project, I'm not getting the Google app project. What is the meaning of Google app project? Message system. So this is a prompt, system message, then message dictionary. So what I'm writing, that's communicating with the Gemini AI. Okay, so I'm writing the different parameters how to interact with the Gemini. So first I'm creating the system message, then my real message like role. So this is a dictionary. I hope everybody is getting a sense what is the meaning of dictionary. Can we do it in Java? I don't know actually. I don't know Java, dear. That is, I don't know Java. Can we do it or not? I don't know. But I know Python very well. Then key parts. So this is the dictionary. Okay, and this dictionary we will send to the Gemini. So first a list, then system prompt, then message, and here I'm defining the user because user. I'm user, and part is a new key which contain a list which contain the text. What is in the text? My system message. So it is first time it little bit difficult to understand. Don't worry, but once you get the output, you'll get. Okay, okay. So very easy. First list, then system message, then a complete message, role, user, parts, text, system message, and then plus whatever the message, whatever the real query I'm going to give. So I'm going to use some space and then my message. This is a message I'm going to give chat. Okay, this message. And finally, oh, sorry, what happened? So let me, yes, message. Then finally, messages dot append. So this is the list. In this message, these are messages, append entire message. Okay. Yes. Anyone, any doubt? Now I'm going to create a new dictionary with data, where with the contents message. Done. Sorry, this one is my. So finally we have data. So try to understand. First step, create an empty list. Then your instruction, first instruction. Okay, first instruction. So these are your, you can say this is a first instruction. So this is the way, this is a way to send the message. Role user, part contain text, system message, and entire my chat. Entire chat means my query. Like query means who are you? So it will say, okay, I'm a Jarvis. And where is Taj Mahal? So chat means chat contain where is Taj Mahal. So system message saying you are an AI bot and where is Taj Mahal. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is the plus sign. Sorry, this is a plus. So system message plus chat. One message sent to the Gemini. So append in the list and then content and message data. Now it's time to write the entire URL. So URL is right now. So let me copy paste it. Okay, so this is a URL. So you need to use this URL. So let me give to this URL to the LetsUpgrade team. Yes, to StreamYard. So I'm giving them so that they can share you. Okay, so I have LetsUpgrade team. I have shared one link. Please share in the chat. Okay. So this is a URL on which I'm going to send my data. Okay. So this is a URL key. What is key here? Key is this key plus, just plus it. This key, the key I have created, this one. Okay, so this one is my entire URL. Now it's time to use request module, req as request dot post URL. Okay, and now it's time to send my data. Okay, on this URL, I need to send my data. So this is a URL of Gemini Pro. Okay, and here I'm sending the data. So JSON equal to data. So whatever the response I will get, take in the variable response. Okay, T1 I'm taking the variable response dot JSON print T1. So let's run it. Done. Okay, getting sense or not? Getting sense? So let's run it. Print. Okay, run it. Chat and write your message like who is MS Dhoni? Okay, so this is my question. So I'm putting my question over here. So first run it, then I will explain it to you. Okay. CLS, let's run it. So a little bit more screen. Python Gemini content. Let's see any error. Yes, so some error is there. Okay, here text. Okay, got it. It's a system message. It should be the by mistake. My mistake. It should be the dictionary. Yes. So it should be inside the list. So this is a structure actually. So no need to cram it. You can copy paste it. Close it, this not needed, and this one. So invalid syntax, messages dot append. What is the problem over here? Line number 11, it's saying messages uh, dot append message, or some problem over here. This is the entire, I think, where I did the mistake. Part equal to, okay, final message. Okay, got it. This one. Okay, role user, first one, then part is complete, this one, then finally this bracket is closed here. Okay, so let's try to do in the Java. Let you know, sir, your LinkedIn ID. Dear, if you want to get my LinkedIn ID, because I'm not able, because not allowed to share anything personal thing. What is stir object is not callable. What's the issue over here? Okay, sorry. It's a chat one here. It's chat one. Sorry, it's chat. Okay. Now it's finally done. Okay, no error. Let's see. So it's free, and that's why it's taking time. So you can see I'm getting a lot of stuff here. So hello, I'm Jarvis here. That's my instruction. So in this sense, I will take the persona of MS Dhoni, the former captain of Indian cricket team and one of the most successful cricketer all the time. And then Miss next line about MS Dhoni, date of birth, and this. So yes, I'm getting the content based upon my query. Getting sense or not? Okay, people are asking for URL. So please, let's go team. I have given you in the private chat. Please, can you see it and please copy paste in the chat so that student get the URL. Yes. Please, I have given in the chat. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. I hope everybody is getting the URL. So how to use it? Just use it like this. Okay, so this thing is a little bit tricky. So let me clarify what is the what we have done so far. You know very well this is a list. Okay, so this is a system message, first instruction. Okay, second is, so this is the way we communicate with the LLM: role, user, part, text, instruction with my query. My query was, who is MS Dhoni? This one, who is MS Dhoni? So once I give this argument, it's sent to the here, and I have added over here, like, you are an AI bot, your name is Jarvis, who is MS Dhoni? The complete chat is, who is MS Dhoni? Okay, so this is the instruction. So let me put over here full stop, because everything is matter here. You are a bot, your name is Jarvis, and who is MS Dhoni on my question? So this is my question, and I'm asking this question to this URL with my key. I have created the key 30 minutes ago. Okay, and request means I'm sending uh, my my request to this URL with the help of requests module. Okay, response, and now you can see in the JSON I am getting the reply. Yes, everyone, please getting, if you are getting sense, please tell me. It's saying that page is not working. Let me see what is the link. Dear, page is not working. Me, don't click over there. Use that URL in your code. Don't click over there. Okay, that's a half link. You have to use your key with key equal to. Okay, don't click on it. Just copy it. Okay, just copy it and paste over here. Okay. Yes. Anyone? Any doubt so far? We have done first step, interacting with the Gemini. Yes. Anyone? Any doubt? Rupesh, don't open the website. Don't open the website actually. The URL is for sending the request, not for web purpose. Okay. That URL is not giving you a view because that is for API, dear. API. Just hit it with the request module. Okay. So I hope everybody is understand what is the meaning of API. If you are not getting what is the meaning of web API, please tell me. I will explain it. What is the meaning of web API? Because I think you are getting confused. What is the API? What is the web page? Yes, tell me. Do you know what is the meaning of web API? Yes. Yes. Do you know what is the meaning of web API? Yes, I'm asking the question. Please reply yes or no at least. So this is the API, web API offered by the Google. Means send your request over this URL with your content. This is my data with data. Add this URL. This is a URL and take the response back. So this is a response. Okay, so that is the web API. So I hope getting the sense what is the meaning of web page. So this is not a web page, dear. You are opening the web page. No, just paste over here, put your key for authentication purpose and hit it with the help of JSON data that we have created over here. Okay, so I hope you are getting the sense. Okay, you can ask any question over here. Who is MS Dhoni? Who is SRK? Okay, so first part is complete. Now the question is now the next task is it contain candidate, content, parts, text. Okay, so many things. So many things. It contains these things. Text is at this level. So how to get text? Actually, we are getting a dictionary candidate. In the candidate, we are getting this list, then content, then part, then our text. So how to get our text? So that's why Python is important over here because this is not for our purpose because we have what is the meaning of candidate? What is the meaning of content? What is the we need this text. We need only this text. Okay, this text. So how to get it? So T1 dot for T1 is a dictionary get candidate. From dictionary, if you want to get something from the dictionary, you can use it or you can use get method. First candidate dot get not get because what is this? This is a list. Dot get candidate, that's a list. From that list, we are fetching the first element. Okay, first element, and then we now we have the first element is the dictionary, this one. From that we fetch the content, and now we have another dictionary, parts. So from that one we get the parts, and that contain a list. From that list, first element. Okay, so much, and finally we get the text. So that's why Python knowledge is important. Yes. Let me refresh my page. Yes, any doubt, anyone, please tell me. Oh, actually, so sorry, my screen was stuck. Last question. Now I'm getting my question. Question is, let me take this mobile because it's stuck. Uh, application programming interface. Okay, so where to paste API generated key? Key you need to paste over here. Okay, you can directly paste it, but I'm using it with the variable, so you need to paste over here. Let me take the doubt one by one. Okay, can you quickly explain everything once again? Okay, sure. Not where is the paste to API generating? Here, dear, here. So this is a URL I have given. Just put the quotes inside it and plus your key. Okay, I have taken key in the variable, so you can take key like whatever your key. Okay, got the output. Where to paste the API generate module not found? Request. Oh yes, module not found. So if you module not found, you can install it with the help of pip pip install req requests. Okay, in this way you can install it. Okay, so what's the exact command? This pip install request. Okay, next question. Do we need to make front end too? No need to, dear. If you like front end, if you like this fancy output, then you can create front end. Otherwise, no need to create the front end. Okay. Yes, sir. It's again, sir. Can you run it again? Definitely, I will run it web application. I recently rendered this AWS session in the college. As far for Gemini, we have to create a Google a cloud account for the key. No, no, no. Just create your account, one project, and key. Done. Google Cloud account, if you are using Vertex library, Vertex. I'm not using Vertex library. That's very simple. So I'm not using Google Cloud account. Okay, there's no Google. So key you can directly, I have given you the link. Go to that link, create your key. Simple. What is JSON? JSON is kind of key value pair data structure. Okay. Once we hit the API, we receive the output in the form of JSON. Invalid JSON payload mean maybe you have done some mistake over here. That's why you are getting the uh, error. You can copy paste this code. Okay, so this code, this one. So let me paste over here so that you get the clarity of if you are doing any mistake. How to make SMD project in the API key? I'm not getting the question. Can you please explain key where to paste, how to set a variable key? Okay, dear, if you are getting very difficulty, so I'm telling you, I think people are getting difficulty. So कुछ नहीं करना. So take this one. So how to do it? ऐसे करना है आपको. Key, okay. This one, and directly you can take your key from here, like this, and put over here. Done. Like this. Simple. Yes. Can you do it like this? This simple. Okay. Pratik, I hope you're getting your answer. Error code 43 message doesn't allow to unregistered caller. Please use API key for other column. Permission denied. URL, I think URL is not correct. This is a URL you need to use. This one. Please explain the web API. So let me explain web API. So dear web API. So good question over here, web API. So let me give you a very simple example. Consider you are at the restaurant. You are at the restaurant, okay? You are at the restaurant. Sitting over there, sitting over there, and you make a order. Okay, order. One person, waiter, coming to you to take the order. So okay, whatever you give the order, it takes it and go back to the chef and come back with your order. Okay, who is preparing your order? That chef person. Okay, so that chef person is preparing your order, right? That chef person is preparing your order. So This is preparing order. But for the interaction to the chef, you are there is a waiter. Okay, we need food. We are making order. Who is taking order? Who is delivering it? That person is called as a API. That's a simple example. Now, okay, simple example. So in the web API, there is a web server. Web server. Web server is saying you need information. You need some information. If you want that information, I'm giving a facility of API. Just send some parameters. Send some parameters in the JSON document in the defined predefined format, and I will give you the output. Okay. So what are the parameters? Parameters are like my question. My question. Okay. My question like who is MS Dhoni? You are Jarvis. Who is MS? That's my question. That's my query. And authentication. For authentication, that's my key. So these are the parameters I send to the web services. Web services giving me reply in the JSON format. So this is the JSON format. Can you see it over here? So this is the complete JSON format. You can see this is in the JSON format. I'm getting in the JSON format, right? So good example is, let me give you one good example. What is the meaning of API again? So have you ever traveled by via aeroplane? So there are some aeroplane agencies like aeroplane companies like Indigo, okay, AirAsia, and one is the um, like other one. Let's take it Emirates, okay. And you want to go one place to ABC to XYZ. You check Indigo, you check again AirAsia, you check Emirates. Means you go to the Indigo website, check the flight is available or not from ABC to XYZ. You check AirAsia, you check Emirates. But there are some website you can check all like Make My Trip, goabibo.com, and other also yatra.com, goabibo.com. They are giving facilities search all the flight in one go. You can search over the Indigo, you can search the AirAsia, but you can search over the Emirate website to check the flights. But if you go Make My Trip, if you go to Yatra, you can search all the available flight at once. How? How Yatra is getting the data of Indigo, right? Indigo is data. How the Yatra is getting Indigo data? How the Yatra.com or Make My Trip getting the AirAsia data? How the Yatra and Make My Trip getting the Emirates data? How? With the help of API, because they are providing kind of API कि भाई तू hit कर, you hit the API with some parameter like date, location, and pick locations, where to where, from to. So these are parameter date, from to, send to Indigo, send to AirAsia and Emirate, get the data in the JSON format and present in beautifully on the web page. Getting sense or not? What is the meaning of API key? API. Yes, anyone? Any doubt? Yes, anyone? Okay, because they are providing the API. That's why Yatra, Make My Trip getting the data of Indigo, AirAsia, Emirates. Okay. One more example, if you want, consider you want to see something on the mobile, right? You want to see something on the mobile, and that thing take calculation, lot of calculation. Okay, like you go to the web browser and check the Amazon website. अब आपने Amazon की website check की. Consider you go to the web browser and check the Amazon website. Okay, and there is an app also. Okay, app also. On the web browser, you can see entire interface web page. Okay, but this app has a predefined interface. It has interface. Okay, app. So once you make the request, like you want electronic stuff and electronics from this price range and this range, you want something. So app is sending the hitting the API for Amazon.com. Ki this person Mohit wants electronic stuff from this price range. So it return the data in the JSON format, and it has the interface how to show it. So it take the data and shows to the computer, right? So in this way, app work because there is it's linked with the API. Okay, getting sense or not? So I hope you're getting a sense. Now come to our Gemini. So this is the API for the LLM model. This is the API for LLM model for Gemini Pro. Okay, what are the content we are sending? We are sending role, user, parts, URNA bot. Okay, in the data, mean in the JSON data. Okay, so this is a complete URL, and this is JSON data, and we are getting in the JSON response. Let me run it again so that we get only the text information, only the text. Let's run it again. Yes, there's some confusion. I think I did something wrong. Oh, I haven't saved it. Sorry, I haven't saved it. Save it and run it again. Clear screen and run it again. So let me take your question. So you can see I'm getting, what's the problem? I'm not getting text directly. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's take the everything in the new variable. Let's t2 and print it. And after that, I will take your all the doubts. Let me take your doubts. Sky, do we need to use a new? Do they also need API key? Yes. If you are because they want some data from the Indigo. They need API. Indigo charges for the API. Okay. Sir, VS Code give me this error import cannot import key from config. Have you? Okay. So first of all, let's see. We are getting only the text thing, which is required. So we are getting only the required thing. We are not getting extra things, content part, blah blah things. We are getting only the text thing. Okay. So in this way, we get the text. So next is, sir, this is the error. This the error occurred, sir. I'm getting the error T1 response JSON. There's something mistake in the code. Okay. What I will do, I will upload this code on the somewhere on the maybe GitHub, so you can get the code of today. Okay, today's code. Sir, this is the error. Show the code again. So please see this code and please check. So I'm not doing anything. Please check what's the mistake you have done in your code. Please check. Just see the code. Atulya is saying T1 candidate. T1 candidate. T1 dot candidate. Get candidates. Yes. Get content. Get text. None type of object is not substitutable. Adulya, first print T1. What is in the T1? Then paste in the chat box in the chat. What is T1? API used for website. From first line GE syntax error. Python invalid syntax. Where is the syntax error? I'm not getting where is the syntax error because I can see only the error, not the code. Just see it, dear. This is the config file. You have to first create a config file, paste your key. If you are not going to create it, you have to uh, create your URL like this. Okay. Let me write showing you. So this is the URL, complete URL. You can use it. Now go to the Gemini. So let's see. Please see this code. Take the snapshot. API. Any doubt, anyone? Karamveer saying, sir, got the output. Great, 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 great. One person is getting the output. Good. I'm happy you are getting the output. So means you have learned something new today. Maybe. Me too. Sumit Das. Good. Please see this code. I'm not doing anything. Please see this code. I'm just enjoying my tea. See this one. Or you can take the snapshot. Punishri saying, got the output. Great. Great, great, great going. Can we get the output? Yes, definitely. Now next step. So if you are getting the output, take the snapshot of this one. Please take the snapshot. If you are doing some mistake after the session, you can correct it. So how to take the input from the user? तो देखिए कैसे करना है. Let's see. First of all, oh sorry, how to take input from the user, not output. Chat equal to take any variable. Let's say input function. Enter the. You should saying go to the output. Shreya saying go to the output. Great. Okay, so enter the query. So this is the query and see. So, and make this line comment. Okay. First of all, I'm stopping all the things. CLS. Make this a little bit large. Python Gemini content. Let's run it. Now it is asking enter the query. Simple query I'm going to give. Write a program to find the prime number. Write the program in Python programming. Python programming to find the prime number. Let's see what happened. Okay. Oh, there is some problem. I hope none type object has no attribute. What's the problem? Let's see. Query is query. Let's chat input chat variable chat done print t1. First of all, let's print t1 and then see. First of all, let's see who is MS Dhoni. Simple query for which I was getting the reply. Okay, so Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, this is good. So we are getting it. Now next thing is write a program in Python programming to find the prime numbers. Let's see. So maybe Gemini is not enough capable to give the reply. Yes, so it is giving me finish reason, recitation, prompt feedback. So I think it is not giving the output. That's why we are getting the error. We are not getting any text part. Okay, no issue. It is not designed for writing the code, I think. Okay, let's see. Let's ask some simple question. Uh, where is Delhi? First simple question, very simple. Okay. Okay, so it is giving the reply for simple text. So I hope you can understand it. Yes, anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? So Gemini code we have created. Okay, so next is let's uh, create the microphone thing, means how to use the microphone. Okay, if you are using Windows, it's very easy, but for Linux, we need to do something extra. But I hope everybody is using Windows. So it gives reply in Python, but I'm not getting the reply for Python programming actually. If you're getting it, that's great. Let me change the prompt. In Python program, we write a program in Python to find the prime number from 1 to 10, 1 to 100. Now I'm getting, oh, that's great. That's great. Now I'm getting the reply. So it's all about the prompt. Okay, how you give it. Good, good, good. If you're getting reply, that's okay. But because I think there's some problem there's some problem was in the prompt. But now I have given clear cut instruction. Please write a program in Python to find the prime number from 1 to 100. Okay. So I hope everybody is getting the sense how to use Gemini. Okay. So next task. Next task. So write a new file to use my mic. For web, mic is different. For Python, mic is different. For recognition the okay. So now let's see how to use mic in our code. How to use mic. Let's see. So we will use speech recognition as P EECH speech recognition spelling is recognition as SR. So I hope you're getting a sense of what is the syntax of the what is the meaning of syntax. Let me save it. I'm saying this mic to text 1.py. I'm going to use speech recognition with SR. So let's run this code and see what output we are getting. Python mic. I'm not getting any output. Sorry, I'm not getting any error. Maybe you are getting some. You may get some error. Punishri is saying, can you make session for how to use Linux? You need to make a request for you need to make a request to the let's upgrade. I can teach you, no issue. Okay, if you are getting any error, if you're getting any error for this program, so you need to install one module. Let me tell you what is a module. Pip freeze. It's a speech SP. because I have already installed it. Let me check which one is this. Speech, SP, speech, SHSO, speech recognition. This one. Okay, so this is the module. You need to install it first. So how to install it? Just write pip install. Okay, pip install. So you want to know different version of this one, how to use it. So go to the paypi.org and check this one, and you can see this is the speech recognition. And here you can see all the instruction how to use it. Okay, what extra thing you need? Okay, go to this page and check what extra thing you need. So let me copy paste this code. So okay, so this one, if you want to know what are the what are the available microphone your computer has, so you can use this code. Just I'm copy pasting it directly. So you can do you can also okay you can also copy paste from here. Then I will explain you what is the meaning of uh, this code. So okay, yes. Oh no, here I can paste it here. Because first we need a mic. Okay, speech recognition. So we have already created it, speech recognition. So I'm removing first one. Index, name, enumerate. If you don't know what's the meaning of enumerate, so I'm removing it. Don't worry, I'm not using it. So what I'm going to use, simple I equal to 0 and use I over here. Sorry, what was the line? Oh, index. Okay. So use index over here. Index equal to 1. So remove index from here. And index equal to index plus 1. Let's run it. Oh, this all microphone are attached to the my computer. So I'm using this one, Zebra Evolve. So it's you can see multiple time. So this is a very nice microphone. So you can see index 0, index 1. Okay, from where we are getting microphone device index. Okay, found at index format. So it's just very difficult to understand this line. So I'm removing it. I'm creating my own line. Print, simple, just print your index and your name. Simple. Okay. Index unindentation index equal to index plus 1 for loop. Yes, this one is creating problem. This one is also. So these are the microphone I have. Okay. So let's see the. So I have this one Microsoft. I don't know which one. So this is this one mic which I'm using. Headset Zebra Evolve 20. So this one from Logitech, because webcam is also offering microphone facility. So webcam. Then again Zebra, and this one my LCD, first LCD, and this one, and again my LCD. So BenQ two LCDs are there. You can see two LCDs, 2480. This one is 70. This one is 7280. 24 inch and 24 inch, 27 inches. So they also have some microphone or maybe a speaker, because showing the speaker and microphone both. So microphone, I have Druidcam microphone, I have Logitech webcam. So there are many microphones are there. Okay, continuously they are listening. So I'm going to use this Jabra also, which is at one or maybe second level. Okay, so let's see. So my index would be one. So that's a list actually. This one is a list. If you just print it, if consider you don't know how to use for loop over it, just print this list. So you can see I have the complete list. So in the second number, this is zeroth index. This is the first index, Zebra Evolve. So I'm going to use this mic, Zebra Evolve. Okay. So I hope everybody is getting a sense how to see microphone. Yes, this instruction is going bay on my head. Why? Why, Sumit? This is a microphone. We are going to use microphone. So you have to use speech recognition. So whatever you speak, it will recognize. Okay. So consider you don't want to use front end, you don't want to use Flask, you can go with this option. Okay, getting sense or not? Yes, Mitas, getting sense? So now let's see how to use mic. So this all code not needed. This is index 10, all are not needed. Okay, because I know where is the Zebra evolve. Zebra evolve at the first index, starting from the zeroth index. So I'm creating the object like recognizer. SR is the object. SR is the speak recognition module. From that module, I'm importing the class recognizer. Okay, there's some mistake I think I've done. So I'm removing this code, Control X, and putting for future use. Okay, done. So first import the module and then create the object. So do you know what is this one, SR? And what is this one? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of this dot? Yes, who knows Python very well? Please tell me what is the meaning of this one. Yes, yes, yes. What is this and what is this? What is SR? What is this one? Please tell me. Okay, little zoom. Okay, my mouse. Yes. So this SR is a module. Please try to understand this SR is the module, and this is the class. Once we put the bracket over here, we are creating the object, and we are storing that object in. This is the object of speech recognition class. This one, recognizer class. This is the object. So you must know this thing in order to do the programming. Recognizers say from modules, because the module is what? That's a file. File contain the class. So this one is the file. File contain this class, and this class from this class we are creating the object. Okay. I have messed with Microsoft Copilot. What is this one? ठीक है चलिए जी. Next is, now we have a object. Now I'm creating a function def. So function is like any name you can take, mic to text or whatever. So I'm using mic1. Okay. So create with sr dot microphone. What was the code which was future use? sr dot microphone. sr dot microphone. So we need to use which microphone we are going to use. Which one? Which one? So please see this thing. I'm going to use whatever at the index number 1 because I know this Jabra evolve at the index number 1. Okay, as source. If you don't know, make it 0. If you don't know, make it 0. Okay, done. And with print, I'm saying right, say something, like say something, speak something, say something, speak something, or say something. I think say something is a better one. Okay, say something. We are hearing you. Okay, no, that's so. Now adjust for the ambience noise. Adjust it. Recognizer dot add just for ambient spelling. Spelling is ambient, ambient noise. Okay, ambient noise. Oh, source, I think its spelling is sourc. Spelling, you can take anything. You can take it so, you can take it so, but just make it source. Okay, परचेज करना है नहीं भाई. Okay, ambient noise done. And which one? Source. From this line, I'm picking the right mic for me. I'm picking my Zebra Evolve mic as a source, and I'm using that source. Adjust for ambience noise. थोड़ा सा noise, please adjust. Audio, whatever the audio I'm getting from the mic, recognizer dot listen source. So audio, this one, whatever I speak, that's audio. That is the audio. Now recognize it. अब recognize करने की बारी. Let's recognize it. Print. I'm printing like recognizing, just for better output. Okay. If you don't want to use print statement, that's okay. What is the text after recognizing? So I'm using recognize, recognizer dot recognize. Recognizer is the this one here, and recognize underscore Google, and put that audio. Miss from the Google module, we are going to recognize. So audio, this one, audio created. So let me put the comment audio created. Whatever I speak, that's audio. And now recognize with the help of recognizer Google. Sorry, this is recognize, the recognize only, recognize. Now it's okay. Because this object contains the recognize Google. Okay, recognize Google, audio, text. So let's print it. You said text. Okay. With this one, so I think completed it and return it also. Return text. Done. Okay. So now run it. Mic 1. Okay. Now it's time to run it. CLS Recap, please. So let's run it. Then I will show you all the code. Python mic one, I think. Mic to text, yeah, right? Mic to text. Mic is not defined. Sorry, so name is mic one. Sorry. Hello everyone. My name is Mohit. You said I want my. I think you said something. I wrote. You said okay. Just hello everyone. My name is Mohit. I think it's everyone. My name is. Where is something problem with the mic? I think some problem. Let me put the two index over here. 0, 1. I think two index over here. So I think mic problem. Hello everyone. My name is Mohit. You said something is wrong with you. Recognizing done. Recognizing text. Hello everyone. That's okay. Now we need to speak. Hi. Unknown value. So there's some issue with the mic. I think mic is not good. I think mic 0. Let's see mic 0. So because the default, what is the default mic here? So if I say default mic is headset earphone, I think 0. That's let's see 0 over here. Okay. There's some issue with the mic. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I think some problem with the mic. Let's run it again. G drive, go to G drive, Jarvis, Jarvis. Let's Python mic to text. Hello everyone. No, it's not working. So put over here. Uh, let's print it again. Like I think some issue with the mic. Let's see the mic again. I think there's some issue with the mic. Let's see what are the available mic. So let's check mic again because I think some problem with the mic. It's my Zebra mic is not being selected. Done. Speech range as SR done. SR microphone list microphone names. Okay, ठीक है. For name the microphone index यहाँ लगाते हैं. Let's put the index over here. One. No, should be 0. Starting and then done. Okay. I'm checking my index of my mic. Okay. Check mic 1.py because there's some issue with the mic. G drive. Python check mic. Yes, you're right. It's maybe used for streaming. You're right. Because now I'm using it. I don't have any different port for mic. Let me use this mic. Just 1 second. Are you getting my voice? Please tell me. Yes. Are you getting my voice? Are you getting my voice? मुझे मेरी voice नहीं आ रही. Are you getting my voice? Please tell me. Oh, I think mic has been changed because I plugged my new mic. Let me check. What is the audio? JARVIS. Okay. Okay, it's automatically get changed. Now I hope everyone is getting my voice. Communication headset. It's Jabrai Vol. Hello. Yes. Now I think okay. I hope you're getting my voice. Same, right? Because I plugged new mic, it took the new mic. So let's see. Let's run it again. ZebraVis as the first level and Zebra Evolve. So at the device one, let's see 0 and 0, 1, 2. If okay, let's play with it. Index it's 1 or 2, maybe 1 or 2. So let's see for 1. Okay, let's run it. Print is not. Which one? Where name print line number 6. इसकी need नहीं, no need to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back. Yeah, yes, now we are getting it. Okay. Are you getting a bad quality of voice, Ayush? I don't think. So let's run this again. Okay, I'm running it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python session. Back to the Python session is okay. Actually, there's some issue with this one. You know, there's some other libraries also which convert your audio to text, right? And they are chargeable because it is first creating my audio. First we are creating audio, then supply to the then supply to the Google library. Okay, but it's not giving the streaming response. As you speak, you are getting the speaking. So it's not giving the streaming response. That's okay, no issue. Let's use it for this one. So I'm making this comment. Okay, I'm using this comment. So this check this mic to text I'm going to use in the Gemini content. Okay, Gemini content. So here I'm giving the input by using the query. So you can import the mic module from import check mic, not check mic, mic to text, mic to text one, import, and what function we are going to use? Mic one. From import. Yes, getting sense? Getting sense? Synchronizing Google is not working. dear, this one is the recognizer dot recognize Google. Okay, Rupesh, recognizer, the object you have created over here, that contain the recognize Google. Okay. Now here, put the mic. Chat equal to mic. Done. So I think this mic is working. Let's run it. Python Gemini content. Okay, so let me ask the question, same question, who is MS Dhoni? Okay. Who is MS Dhoni? Thank God. It is saying say something. There's some issue with this one. Can you please say something? Can you please say something? So I think some mistake over here in the mic. It's saying you said written text. Okay, sorry. Written text should be outside it. Inside it or outside it? Inside. I think inside it. Gemini content, mic one, done. Chat, and that will give to the chat and run it. Once we run it, done. Check my contain any. Sorry, this one contain. Not save it again. Oh, I close it actually. Sorry. G drive again. CD Jarvis. Let's Python mic to text. Gemini content. Hello, everyone. Who is MS Dhoni? Hello, who is MS Dhoni? Okay, so now I can see I can give the input by using the mic, right? Getting sense or not? Now we are giving the input by using the mic. Yes, getting your answer. So you can receive the information in the speech form, means by using your speaker. So if you have a speaker which contain mic and everything, you can speak it and you get the response. So this is a Bluetooth speaker, it has a mic. So if I want to ask any question, I can go anywhere with the Bluetooth range and I can ask the question like this and get the response. Okay, but I'm not using output as a from the speaker, because you will not get the out, because I will get the output from my headphone. So how will you get the things, everything is working perfectly or not? Okay, so that's why I am only displaying. Okay. Uh, yes, any doubt so far? You can ask any question, like let me run it again. Where is Taj Mahal? Oh, Agra, India. It's saying Agra, India. It should, it's, yeah, this one, Agra, India actually. So I have print extra thing. Let me remove, because that's create the problem. Let me remove this print T1. Let's check. Let's run it. What is Python programming language? Okay. So it's giving me good output. So now I'm taking your doubts. Let's see your doubt. Recap done. Okay, recap. I will tell you. Recap. It's fine now. SR Google is not working. Yes, sir. It's fine now. It's showing this util is not installed. Okay, if you're getting any difficulty for while installing the speech recognition, you can go here and check what are the required prerequisites, what are the required modules for this one. So okay. Anything else? Anything wrong with Pi Audio? So you have to use Pi Audio also. So please install Pi Audio. So you can use pip install PyAudio, Pi Audio. Okay, pip install PyAudio. If you are using Windows, so this module must be installed. If you are sorry, if you are using Linux, this thing must be installed. Right. So I hope you're getting the good sense how to give input by using your mic. Rachit, I'm not getting your question. I'm not getting your doubt. Say something recognizing. You said, who is Virat Kohli? Say something recognizing. You said, who is Virat Kohli? It's out. Check your code. Check your code. Maybe you haven't saved the latest code. So this is chat mic, it output, and that output we are supplying over here. So I think what mistake you have done, because please remove this thing, because first when you import it, it asks here, then it asks here. So what you can do here, you can write over here if name equal to main, write this syntax and put mic in this one. Okay, then you can use, then you will not get any problem. You will not get two times, it's one time. Please use this syntax. Okay, Rachit. So we have created multiple files, multiple modules. So one is for Gemini. Okay, one is for mic if you want to use. So consider for in the future, if you get good library, so just replace this component with this name, just replace this component, and you will, there is no problem with the Gemini, because we are creating the application in different components. So consider if you get better component, just remove the previous one and add new component. So this is kind of modular approach we are using. Okay, so consider if you want to use Gemini, if you sorry if, instead of Gemini, if you want to use OpenAI, just remove this thing with OpenAI. Mic will remain as it is, so remove this content. So that's why I'm using different files. Okay, I hope you get a sense. That's why I didn't use the Jupyter notebook in the starting, because in the Jupyter notebook I need to write entire code in one go. Okay, now here I'm creating different component and make clubbing it and creating a one application. Okay, okay, Rachit, I hope you are getting the sense. Got it at last finally. Okay, great. So who has done this mic thing? Please tell me. Mic and Gemini thing, please tell me. Rachit completed it. Great. Because first task, content generation is completed, mic is completed. Next task is difficult. That's a task thing. Okay, task, how to create the task. So we are at this position. So agent we need to create and task. So now internal thing, Google Gemini is completed. uh, mm, okay, Let me remove it actually. Let me remove Zebra, Viz, and so connect with this Gemini done, handling the user question done. Okay, so these two tasks done. So these are the difficult tasks. So now I need to create the, so half of agent we have created, half agent. Now this task, how to define the task and its definition. Okay. Yes, anyone having the difficulty, please tell me. Agent uh, agent one, let me check which one should I start, from where I should start. Agent test agent Flask. So I'm going to create a new file for the task, how to define a task. Okay, we have half an hour. Let's see how to create a task. So we will resume our task tomorrow. Okay, how to create task. Let me check where is the technical task, how to create task test task. Yeah, this one. Okay, now we are getting the getting the information, but that is just a information. But consider if I want to run, find the temperature of my room, find the temperature of Delhi. So we need to create a task. Okay, we need to create a task. So first of all, uh, let's see some simple task. uh, Go to the, consider I want to find the temperature of Delhi, Kolkata, uh, Mumbai. Okay, so you can go to the Rapid API. I need external API to find the temperature of different places. So from here, I can find the temperature. API, public API, search API, search over here. I want to use weather. Search over weather. Let's see which one is free. Open weather, all weather. It's free. No, not free. Yahoo free. It's free. You can use it. It's a pay free. Once you hit with the location, it will give the temperature. Okay. Rapid API. So this is the rapidapi.com. Go to the rapidapi.com. Part half hour is half of the session. Half hour is okay. Half an hour is still there. So after 9:30, session will be over. Okay. So we will resume tomorrow. But now let's see how to find the temperature of any city. Yahoo weather. So from the rapidapi.com, search weather. So from the Rapid API contain lot of API. Consider you want to find the distance between one places and other places. You can use Rapid API. Okay, so I want to find weather. So I search it over it, and you can see I'm getting the uh, different companies, which some are paid, some are free. So Yahoo Weather is free, so I'm going to use it. So click on the Yahoo Weather. Yahoo free. What is the problem? Let me loading API Playground. Yes, completed. So first of all, log in with your account. So I have log in with the Gmail account. So you can also log in with the Gmail account. Okay. Once you log in with, uh, So this is okay. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And subscribe it. I think you are not getting the subscribe button. Oh, you are getting the subscribe button over here. I'm not getting it because I have already subscribed. Yeah, I want to create API type of chatbot, health report, analysis of patient, MATLAB, patient use case, patient report upload करेंगे, sign up for. हाँ कर सकते हैं dear Hari Thakur, we can do it. MATLAB, I don't know about the MATLAB, but on the Python you can create it. Okay, done. So take the code from here, Python code. Because I want to use Python कहाँ गया? So I'm going to use request module of Python. So this is in this way I can get the. So copy this code, copy this Python code. Okay, copy this Python code. Okay, and use this API. Request we have module. This is the endpoint. Endpoint means URL to hit. So sometime it's called as an endpoint. Save it. Save it like task. Okay. Make it temperature calculation. Temp city. Okay, temp city. City over here. So I'll get the city and let's see full code. I didn't copy the full code. Oh yes, so this one is the full code response. So this is a rapid API key. You will get your own key. So this one is the host. This is the URL to hit. These are the parameters. So location is Delhi. So location is Delhi. So I will take the location from over here. So put the location city, done. Okay, done, and run it. Print temp city. So I'm writing over Delhi. Uh, the multiple time. Okay, done, completed. Let's run it. Task one. Uh, now I'm getting the lot of things from the API. You can see this is a JSON document. If you want to view it very beautifully, so this is JSON document. If you want to see it beautifully, so you can go to the website. I think that's the website is JSON lint. Okay, if you paste over here, then you can understand this code. No, it's giving a so not need to use it if it is giving a problem. Okay, so this is location, city Delhi. I don't know what is it. Country India, latitude, time zone, current observation. Published date means right now this published date. This is a published date. Okay, this is a published date and this is wind, direction, speed 6, atmosphere, humidity 61%. Oh, sorry, 61. Visibility, this one, pressure, this one, sunrise forecast, and temperature. Temperature is 61 Fahrenheit. It's in Fahrenheit. It's not a degree Celsius. Okay, getting sense or not? But we need one temperature. That's why we need humidity and temperature only. Okay, and if you want to get the country, that's you can use it. So from this document, consider I have this complete output, and this is a forecast. Their forecast means for the next days. this is Saturday, and for this is for Friday, next Friday. I think this is Friday, and forecasting for next date. Next day is day Monday. For this is for Monday, and this is for Wednesday, and this is for Tuesday. So this is forecasting. So if you want forecasting, you can use this forecasting. But I want right what is the temperature right now there. So I need just this information, this one up to this level. Yes, getting sense or not? So from this document, consider you have this one. So how to find it? Let's do some experimentation. Okay. How to find? Because first location, then city. Um, Actually, let me put over here and take this output in the D1 dictionary. D1 dictionary. So first is location, D1 dot get location. Okay, location, first dictionary location. From the location, I'm getting the second dictionary that is giving the city, Delhi, void, country India, latitude, longitude not needed. So this one, okay, location is also not needed. So location not needed. Then current observation, published date. Do we need date? Tell me, do you need date? Do you need date or not? I think not, no need to use. So location, this is this one location, current observation, published date, wind. Nope. Then we don't use it. We will not use it. No need. Okay, no need. Okay, current observation contain nothing from here. Distance. Atmosphere. Atmosphere contain humidity. So let's see. Let's take humidity from atmosphere. So this is the key for atmosphere. Location not needed. Okay, atmosphere. Atmosphere humidity. So humidity is a key again. So let's take it and get. Okay, so I'm giving humidity, not temperature. Atmosphere completed. Forecast condition. So condition contain temperature. So condition, put condition over here, and temperature second one. So print. Humidity. F. Let's see. Let's use F string. Comma. Temp in Celsius. Okay. Temp. Let's first print it. What will we get? Atmosphere D1 dot get atmosphere. None type object. None type object. What is D1? Let's print D1. There's some mistake. Location completed over here. Location complete. Current observation completed over here. Oh, okay, okay. Current observation contain published date, wind, Wind contain this one. So atmosphere is in the current observation. Sorry, atmosphere in the current observation. Okay, atmosphere under the current observation, and temperature is also in the. Okay, got it. So no issue, no issue. So we will create D1 again. So D1 equal to get done. Okay. Let's see we are on the right track. Yes, we are on the right track. Humidity in degree. I think I put same thing again. Temperature, condition, and temperature. 61, 61. 61 is humidity and temperature also 61. Yes, so it's a Fahrenheit. Okay, it's a Fahrenheit. So what is the formula to convert temperature to? I think it's a Fahrenheit. I know it's a if it's a 61. So minus 32, I think, divide by 5 by 9. I think that's the formula of Fahrenheit. 9 by 5 divide by multiply by 5 divide by 9. I think that's a formula. Solar, yeah, it's 16 degree. I think this is the temperature. This is a formula. I think. Yes. Yes, I think this is a formula of minus 20, 32 and 5 divided by 9. Yes, please confirm. This is a formula or not? This is a formula. Let me check over here. I can check with Gemini, but that will take time. Uh, Degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. First this is Fahrenheit actually. Degrees Celsius. Okay, degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Yes, so minus 32 and 5 divided by 9. That's great. We are on the right track. Good. Temp 1 equal to temp minus 32 multiply by 5 divided by 9. Okay. So no need to print entire thing D1 and return it. So make it return and print Delhi's temperature. Oh, 16 by 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So if you are getting this weird output, so you can make it round off. So make a round of value up to 2 decimal places. Then. So first task we have completed it, how to calculate the temperature of any given city. So here, okay, let me write int equal to main if name equal to main. Done. Can you tell me why are we using this one? Why are we using this code if name equal to main? Yes, anyone can explain? Yeah, can anybody explain why are we using this one? Temp, Delhi, this line. We are using this one in name equal to main because what is the name of this file? What is the name of this file? See, it's like when consider, let me take one name, Sumit. So if I call Sumit, so I will use name of Sumit. Okay, देखिए simple सी बात है, very simple. One person its name is Sumit. If I call this person, I will use his name Sumit. But Sumit himself will use I or we, right? For himself, he will not use his own name. He will use I or we. I will do this. So when I call Sumit will do this. Okay. So same thing over here. What is the meaning of name? Name means name of the file. Name of the file. Okay. Name of the file. Getting sense or not? Name of the file. Now you're saying, क्या कह रहे हैं sir? समझ नहीं आ रहा. What is the meaning of name of the file? So let me tell you. So consider if I create just a small program, hello one. So just print hello world and print what is the name of this file. I'm using name. Okay, let's run it. Python hello one. I'm getting a string main. I'm getting a string main. So this is equivalent to I or v. I and v. Okay. But consider if I import this module. If I import this module, like import hello one. If I import this module somewhere else, so it is giving me hello one. But if I run it, it is giving me main. See what I'm saying. If I run this module, then it's saying I. So main. When I import it, then it's saying file exact name. Exact name is hello. Getting sense or not? If I import, then it's real name. But when I execute it itself, then it is saying main. Getting sense of this syntax? See this one. Why this so? If name, अगर इसका नाम, if its name is main, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि I'm saying if its name is main, then execute this code. Code is, what is code? Code is okay. See, I'm printing this statement if this condition matches. Just try to understand this code because this is, otherwise you will get the error and error again and again. Run Python hello. I'm getting hello world okay. But if I import it in other module, import hello one, I'm getting hello, not okay. Now I'm getting the sense. When we execute itself, then we are getting okay. But when we importing it, I'm not getting okay. So similar way, जब मैंने उसको I don't know the name of person. So when I execute this code, then this mic one will call this mic one. When I executed this code. But if I import this code, then this condition became false because I'm importing it, then this condition became false. And if false, then this line number 21 will not execute it. So that's why you will see this syntax in many modules. Okay, if you are getting still difficulty, तो मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बताता हूँ. अगर आप इसको execute करते हो, if you execute this one, then name equal to main होगा, नेम का मीनिंग मेन होगा. कंसिडर यू आर सेइंग योरसेल्फ, अब कहते हो अपने आप को आई एम डूइंग दिस, वी आर डूइंग दिस. लेकिन if I talk about someone like Sumit, when we take name Sumit, Sumit is doing this. So main क्या है वो I है, because I'm executing this code, so that's why name became main. But if I'm importing this code somewhere, then name became its original name, hello, and this condition became false. Okay? Yes, getting sense or not? चलिए मैं एक और करता हूँ. Let me run it. Name equal to hello 1. Print imported. I'm using this syntax. So इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. So if I execute hello 1, oh sorry, name. देखिए, if I'm executing it, I'm getting okay. But if I'm importing it, import hello 1, I'm getting imported. I'm not getting okay. So I hope this is giving you sense. Yes, Sumit Das is getting the sense. Okay. Problem क्या है? देखिए, problem क्या? Consider 3 person are making one code. 3 person making code. One person created a Gemini वाला part. One person mic वाला part. Okay. One person task वाला part. So mic वाला person A testing it. अब testing करेगा वो. So he will use this syntax. When Gemini person, this person B, who is created Gemini, then Gemini will take this one, this code, this mic code from the A. So it's in this one. This will not create any problem for Gemini code. Okay. So I hope everybody get the sense. चलिए. So I hope everybody is getting the sense of this one. So task 1 is completed, and if you want to use your on home temperature, because I have installed the devices, so if I run my IP of my devices 29 and 20, tell me any other task which you want to perform. So right now we have done only one task. Let's see how to create the task scheduler. So actually this one is from I'm getting my devices. So this kind of devices I'm getting this one. So this kind of this is the DHT sensor, temperature for and humidity of your room. Okay, I have installed in my room there, and it is giving response online. Okay, at this IP from my Wi-Fi dabba, it is I'm taking the response. So ये Wi-Fi because my computer and this device is connected to same Wi-Fi, so I'm getting the response from that small web. Device is also connected to same Wi-Fi, and my computer also connected to same Wi-Fi. That's why I can access it. Okay. So अब ये तो आप नहीं बना सकते. You cannot write this one. So let's make another task. Okay. Task 1 is completed. So how to? I don't know the task. Like if you want to open a file, if you want to write a program, that's okay. Now how to recognize it? Because now we have two things. देखिए ध्यान से please listen carefully. I know it's a Saturday. There are two things. One is the content generation. One is the task perform. Content generation. When I say who is MS Dhoni, and when I say find the temperature of my room, देखिए both are the instructions, both are the prompt. Try to understand who is MS Dhoni and find the temp of Delhi. Both are the prompt. Try to understand. Both are the prompt. Now, how to tell Gemini कि भाई तेरे को how to tell Gemini this is for content generation, just generate the content from your own knowledge and tell me. For this one, no need to generate the content, just hit this API or hit this function with this parameter, means hit this function with this parameter and get the output. Both are different. Try to understand. This for content generation, this is for getting the city name inside it, put as a as an argument and run it. So these two are different. Content generation and executing the task, both are different. So I hope you're getting the sense. Try to understand. If you are getting the sense, please tell me you are getting the sense. What is the meaning of task? What is the meaning of content generation? So tomorrow we will complete it. How to tell Gemini this is the task and this is the parameter you need to send. Let's see our website again so that you get the clear idea. Uh, yeah, this one. Okay, it's still running. That's great. Find the temperature of Kolkata. क्या बात है, कितना अच्छा recognize है. Find the temperature of Kolkata. The send. तो देखिए, miss, I'm not saying create the content of temperature of Kolkata. Okay. So when I send it, it's check. Do we need to create task or content generation? Okay. So it's checking it. So Jarvis is saying that Kolkata country India and that temperature is 18 degree and humidity is 66. So it's not generating the content, it's executing the task that we have given, that I have created it. Okay, so that's a challenge, because if I say who is SRK, so SRK is not a task, SRK is not a city, SRK just to create the content. We need to tune it. So you can see Bajigar, Karan Arjun. So at your service, sir, SRK stand for Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, so that's the challenge here. So we will see how to create a differentiation between task and content generation. You can write any file. Consider task. What is the meaning of task over here? Task means, okay, so uh, hmm. What is the meaning of task? Task like executing the command of your computer, like finding the IP address of your computer. Task, that's not content generation. Consider if I say find the IP address of my computer. It means find the IP address means it's not a content generation. What is IP address? What is this one? This no. I'm saying what is my IP address. So means you have to execute some task. Task means you have to execute some kind of command like ipconfig. From that from that thing you can get my IP and tell me what is my IP. Okay. So this is the task. So I hope you get the clear cut difference, clear cut idea what is the meaning of content generation, what is the meaning of task. Yes, please tell me. Getting sense or not? If you're getting it, we will resume yesterday. We will resume tomorrow for next thing. Google search is kind of content. So no, dear, we are not doing Google search. First of all, we are not doing Google search. Google search is also a task. If I say, please search MS Dhoni over the Google, so that is a task. Let me show you how. देखिए, मैंने Google का भी code create किया. See, this is the code of Google. So if I say, and it find or scraping the data from the Google link. So if I say query MS Dhoni, so this is also task. So I'm not using this task. I'm giving content generation. So ये गूगल का भी काम, गूगल का भी टास्क है, देखिए. It will fetch 10 top website and remove all Facebook, YouTube account if there, and get the data and make one data and represent this. And query is again same, MS Dhoni. Okay. Content generation means LLM has a lot of data. Let me show you the open example. Just I will take 1 minute more and then we will resume tomorrow. So consider this is the example. Just because I'm taking this example, let me show you. That's a free, I think. Yes. So if you say, uh, tell me who is MS Dhoni. It not searching the Google. It has a lot of data, trillion data. So from that data is giving me response. Okay. Now, what is my IP address? What is my IP address? IP address. अब देखिए. Now it's saying, I'm sorry, I cannot provide the IP address information. It's sensitive personal information. It cannot execute. Can you write a file in my computer? See, I'm an AI language model. I don't have direct access to interact with your computer. Okay, it just generate the content. It can generate the content. It will not execute any kind of command or task. Okay, but we need to tune it for executing our task and recognize this is a task. This is the argument. Because when I say temperature of Kolkata, it is okay. This is a task. It's not the content generation, and city is Kolkata. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue how to create the task and agent. Okay, so I hope you have learned today something significant. You have learned a lot of things. So that's my expectation from you. And tomorrow we will continue. Stay tuned. Bye bye, everyone.